I'm Crail Funch, and this is how to make jelly bean centerpieces. To me, jelly beans are a sure sign of spring. Create these centerpieces using green moss and also bringing in other signs of spring such as bunnies and butterflies. For this centerpiece, you will need tall cake plate, moss, a moss runner, jelly beans, small bird nests in 2 sizes, and butterflies that can be found in your local craft store. We're going to start with the different size bird's nests. I like to use different sizes because they add a little bit of variety and also are great cups for the jelly beans. You're then going to have 2 different types of moss. One is a flat moss and is actually a live moss, and then the second is a table runner that you can cut into 2 different sizes. You're going to spread out the table runner at the length of your table or just right in the center, then place the cake plate right on top. Going to next put the singular moss piece right on the top of the cake plate to start to create a moss bed. Then bring in the small and large bird's nests. Layer them slightly and put them on an angle to add a little variety. You can also add one to the base right on top of your table. Begin placing the jelly beans inside of the nests. Each nest will hold a variety of colors and amount. Once you have the jelly beans in place in their nests, you can start to add in the different elements. Here we're going to add in a little butterfly. You can then bring in other items that are spring themed, such as a larger bunny, items found around your house. This centerpiece would be perfect for a baby shower, Mother's Day, or Easter brunch.